welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a deep dive into the Marshall Emberton II, a portable Bluetooth speaker that promises a big sound in a small package. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Marshall speakers are synonymous with loud, legendary sound founded in 1962 by drum enthusiast Jim Marshall. Today, Marshall carry rock and roll legacy into a range of Bluetooth speakers. Their speakers are known for their classic design, often featuring a vintage look with black vinyl coverings, brass details, and the Marshall logo emblazoned on the front. They are a conversation starter for any music lover. Marshall speakers are packed with modern features. Most connect seamlessly via Bluetooth, letting you blast your favorite tunes from your phone or tablet. They also offer excellent battery life, perfect for bringing the party outdoors. First thing first, this speaker looks fantastic. Marshall's signature amp-like design is here, complete with the iconic script logo and textured black finish. It feels incredibly solid in your hand thanks to the high quality material and a rubberized exterior. It's not the lightest speaker, but it's definitely built to last. Alright, before we dive deeper, let's get this speaker connected. They do have a companion app you can download for your smartphone. It's called Marshall Bluetooth and it's pretty straightforward. Just fire it up. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be jamming in no time. Alright, looks are great, but what about the most important part? The sound? I gotta say, Marshall deliver here. The Emberton II packs a surprising punch for its size. The sound is clear, balanced, and surprisingly loud. The bass is present without being overpowering, and the mids and highs are crisp. It's perfect for any genre of music, from rock and roll, of course, it's the Marshall, to podcasts and audiobooks. Now let's talk the features. The Emberton II keeps things simple. You got your basic playback controls, play, pause, volume up, down, and multi-function button for skipping tracks or answering calls. There are also an IPH67 water-resistant ratings, meaning it can survive splash and light rain. The battery life is truly impressive. Marshall claims 30 hours of playback on a single charge, which is fantastic for a portable speaker of this size. During my testing, I easily got close to that mark, making it perfect for long days at the beach, park, or even poolside. Unfortunately, the Emberton II doesn't offer any multi-speaker functionality, so you can pair it with another Emberton II for stereo sound. This might be a deal breaker for some, but for most casual listeners, it shouldn't be an issue. I gotta say, I'm impressed. This little speaker packs a punch. The sound is surprisingly full and balanced. The bass is there. It's not gonna rattle your window, but it's definitely present. Mids and highs are clear, vocal sound crisp. It got this 360-degree sound stage too, so the music fills the room nicely. Now it won't reflect your home stereo, but for a portable speaker, it's fantastic. So who the Emberton II for? If you're looking for a portable speaker that delivers great sound, is built touch, and has amazing battery life, then this is a great option. It's perfect for anyone who wants to take their music on the go, whether you're relaxing at home, hanging out with friends, or exploring the outdoors. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are some competitors out there that offer similar features at a slightly lower price point. But if you value the Marshall brand, design, and heritage, the Emberton II is definitely worth considering. Talking about the price, the Marshall Emberton II typically retails for around $169. Compared to some competitors, it might be a bit more expensive, but again, you're paying for the brand, design, and the signature Marshall sound. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priority and budget. Overall, the Marshall Emberton II is a fantastic portable speaker that delivers big sound in a compact package. The design is sleek and durable, the sound quality is excellent, and the battery life is simply outstanding. If you're looking for a premium portable speaker that will keep your music going all day long, the Emberton 2 is a great option. So if you're thinking about getting the Marshall Emberton 2, or if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channels for more tech reviews like this one. We have a lot of exciting stuff coming up, so stay tuned.